Hey, this is Ihab. Today is Saturday, lightning day, right? I am going to show you how you can create lightning effect in Maya. Well, let me show you how it's done. You select the objects that you want to have lightning, and then you go into the effects tab, and then you go to effects, and then lightning. Simple as that. How do we actually modify that lightning? Let me open the renderer here, and the current render would look like this. As you can see, even with the lightning, it doesn't really have that spark to it. So I do have an area light just so we can see the copper material, which is standard Arnold material. That is a preset, easy to set for copper. And when I play it here, it looks like that. It looks cheesy, it looks horrible. If I select the bolt itself and I go through the materials here, it's a little confusing because I don't see any lights, right? You have to go to the hypershade. And then in the hypershade, you have these materials. It doesn't really show the light. So you go from materials all the way to lights. There it is. Okay, so with that light selected, now you can see the settings here. If you go to the exposure, give it something higher, 5, I would say maybe 15. Now you can see the effect of that lightning. If you want, you can change the radius a little bit. You can get a different variety of look for that lightning. But as of now, this is what it looks like. Just make sure you don't touch the screen, alright?